我从中国来 I come from China. 我往美国去 I'm going to the US. 从 is where you start. 往 is where you go. 从 points to the starting point of an action. The structure is usually 从 plus place plus verb. For example, 从北京来 come from Beijing. 从现在开始 from now on. So, if you speak English, this feels very natural because 从 works very much like from. What about 往? 往 is about direction or destination. It tells you where the action is going. The structure is 往 plus direction or place plus verb. For example, 往前走 go forward. 往美国去 head to the US. In English, it's like to or toward. Here's a great sentence that uses both. 我从家往公司走 I walk from home to the office. 从 handles the starting point. 往 handles the direction. In short, if 从 looks back, 往 looks forward.